Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 11th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned about HTML attribute. In this tutorial, you will learn about HTML styles. So, let's get started. HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an HTML element. You can add color, font size, background color, and so much more. Let me give you a practical example so that you understand what I'm talking about here. Okay, let's remove this image tag. We don't need it here. Okay, I will first start by giving my body a background color. Okay, and then to do that, I'll say background color. Okay, and then I will specify the color that I want my background to be in. So I want it to be in, let me say aqua. Okay, save it, refresh. Oh, and do you know why it does not change the color? It is because I have not put the style attribute. Okay, let me put it equal, and this one should be in double quote. Okay, let me refresh my page. You can see our background has changed from white to aqua, the entire background you can see here. Okay, that is one, the style attribute for body. And then I want us to change the color of h1 tag. Okay, to do that, we will use style equal double quote, and then we put our color. We just say color, colon, and then we specify the color that we want. So in this case, I will put white, semicolon, save it. You can see our h1 is in white. Before it was in black. Okay, the same to this, right? Okay, now this one is already green. In the previous tutorial, I specified the style for this one. Let me remove this. You can say font size. So font size, and then we say 50 pixels. Okay, let me refresh. You can see now this font size very large compared to how it was before. Okay, let me reduce it. Let me say 20 pixels. Okay, yeah, that one is much better, or I can even say 30. Let me refresh it. Yeah, you see this one is the font size. Okay, what if I want to change the font family? Okay, let me write another paragraph here. This is another paragraph with a different font family. So in this paragraph, we will use a different font family, and let me do that by giving it a style. Okay, and then here I will say font dash family, and then I will specify the font family that I want my paragraph to be in. So let me say Arial. Okay, let me refresh. You can see this one and this are very different. Okay, they are very different. Let me increase the size. Okay, I can actually increase the size within here. Okay, I will say font size. Okay, we gave this one 30 pixels, so let me give it 30 pixels too. Save it. Yeah, you can see, to notice the difference, you can see M here and this M. Compare them, you will see this M is normal and this M as this one's here, right? We'll talk about different type of fonts later. Okay, what if I want this text, the title, to be centered? Okay, let me do that. Within this style attribute, I will say text dash align. Okay, I will say center. So this one will center my H1. Let me refresh. You can see our H1 is centered. You can see now our H1 is centered. Okay, what if I want this H1 to be underlined? Okay, let me do that by saying text dash decoration. I will say underline. Save it. You can see our text has been underlined. And now let me change the color of the last paragraph. Let me do that. Let me say let me say color. Okay, let me say green. Yeah, you can see this one has changed to green. Alright, I think I will stop here. You will learn more about HTML styling in CSS chapter. So in the next tutorial, you will learn about HTML tables. I'll see you there.